Cafe Vida prides themselves on being a cafe for the city, serving as a gathering place for food, coffee, and community. Cafe Vida was created by Life Church Ministries for the purpose of giving all proceeds back to local initiatives.
Cafe Vida was started roughly about 3.5 years ago. It was one of the mission statements through Life Church Ministries. So the idea was to open a location where we can gather and we can greet, and it also will support, be a nonprofit, support different missions, give us another opportunity and another revenue to give back to the community, different ventures, supporting other local nonprofits, supporting the Women's Shelter, the Valley Youth House, families in need, sporting events, just a wide range of different opportunities. Just another way to give back to the city after what's been given back to us freely. So I would say probably the most unique, there's quite a few things. So one, we are a cafe, full coffee, anything you could want in the range of cafe. We also offer a full menu of food. It's one of the few places where we kind of open up our menu and open up our items where it's a customer suggestion. So anytime one of my customers come in and they request something, it's like an ongoing thing on social media. We put it on the menu, we make it happen. I would say about 70% of our coffee sales is nitro and cold brew. So we're one of the only places in probably a 5-mile radius that offers nitro coffee, in-house nitro coffee. We're the only one that offers cold brew that isn't infused. And then our specialty salads, constant growth for specialty salads. We're always doing different combinations of salads. Everybody knows we get fresh vegetables, fresh fruit, so I kind of think that's a big thing in our marketing. We've been here, we have a very short staff, we have an open kitchen. It's always been a model of myself and the church, to be personable, make relationships with all our guests that come in there, kind of learn their names, learn things about them, have an ongoing relationship. It's so much better in business when you're able to have a relationship with somebody coming in to buy a product of any type. Everything in this whole area, in the past 5 years has been a huge turnaround. And I believe as the area grows, Cafe Vida grows, the church grows. It's hand in hand with the growth. Every time we did one of our donations, we're trying to double it. So last year we did our Thanksgiving drive. So we bought turkeys and the sides for the meals. So this year we are actually partnering with other businesses to triple what we did last year and giving it away. And that's became a common theme. Like we've set the trend on giving back and doing donations. And as we did that, other local businesses, typically in our block radius, kind of hop on board and, they're on the same mission state with us. And it's good, you feed positivity, it's like ripples in water, it spreads. And it's spread just through this local area in 6th Street.
Thanks for watching About Lehigh Valley, where we love to live, work, and play. If you enjoyed this episode, please comment, like, and share with friends and family, and stop by Cafe Vida for a bite to eat and a cup of fresh brewed coffee. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next episode. See you then.